Good morning, friend.
I am Maya. Welcome to my cozy little kitchen. Today feels wonderful. This is my grandma's old recipe book. It is very special to me. This chicken stew is so yummy. It is my grandma's very best family recipe. Fresh herbs make food taste amazing. The steamed little heart. My grandma always said love is the best seasoning. Grandma's special stew recipe. She wrote, with love. I miss you so much, Grandma Rose. You taught me that cooking comes from the heart. I will share my stew with my sweet neighbor, Mrs. Chen. Good food should be shared. Knock, knock, Mrs. Chen. I made fresh stew. I brought a big bowl just for you.
Oh, dear Maya, you are so kind.
Your grandma's stew smells absolutely...
Come inside. Oh my goodness, Maya! Look at this! You must enter this big cooking contest! Look at this, dear.
The city cooking contest! The famous Chef Marco will be the main judge! Oh no, I am just a simple home cook. I am not a big, fancy, famous chef like him.
Oh dear. Your grandma taught you to cook with love.
That is a special gift that no chef has.
Okay, I will enter the big contest for Grandma.
Wish me luck, everyone.
I have Grandma's recipe book. I have her love and her teaching.
I am ready for this. Ow! Bukadanti?
Hello, Maya. I Bailey out your help to shoot. I can help you win the big contest. Look at me.
There we go, little Chef Leo. Now you look just like a real cooking helper. So cute. Little Leo's sneeze made flour fly on my nose.
Cooking with you is so much fun.
Oh, this taste.
My dear sweet Maya, always stir the stew with love. The love is the best special ingredient.
Grandma, your food tastes so wonderful because you make it with your big loving heart. Are you okay, Aunt Maya?
I am okay, sweetie. I was just remembering Grandma. Her love is still cooking with us today.
Oh, Leo, that is way too much salt.
Cooking is about just the right balance, sweetie. Grandma's secret special herb mix. This tiny pinch makes everything taste truly like magic. Cheers, little chef. A perfect taste test before tomorrow's big contest.
You are a best taste tester.
Tomorrow is the big day. Grandma, I will make you so proud of me. Good night, kitty. Oh my goodness, this place is so huge. I am really very nervous. Wish me luck, everyone. Wow, this contest hall is like a beautiful castle. I have never seen a place so grand.
Oh my.
He looks so confident. I must not give up hope. My goodness, look at all of the cameras and judges. Oh, my heart is beating so very fast. Look, Grandma, I am really here. Your photo will watch over me the whole entire time. Oh, my dear Mrs. Chen and little Leo came to watch. My family gives my heart so much strength.
Welcome, everyone!
A little magical canary just touched my shoulder. That must be a very special lucky sign.
Each chef has 1 hour. Your dish will be judged on taste, presentation, and story. Ready? Cook!
1 special hour to cook 1 single dish, judged on taste, looks, and story. I can do this. Grandma Rose, please guide me. The big contest has officially started. Grandma, please help guide me.
Chef Marco is cooking with lots of flash. But I will cook with my heart, just like Grandma.
Oh no, the sharp onions are making me cry.
But these tears are just part of cooking.
Whoa, Chef Marco has huge dramatic fire flames. But my simple butter is making me giggle. My grandma's special stew smells so warm and cozy. The kind judge is smelling my food now. Grandma's secret herb mix. 1 tiny pinch makes the stew taste like home and pure love.
That's my girl.
Oops, I almost dropped my bowl.
Phew, safe. Time is moving so fast. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
My dish is simple like my home. A warm bowl of stew made with so much love. Ding ding, time's up. Well, I really did my very best. Now I can only wait and hope.
Tell us about it.
This is my grandma's special stew recipe. I made it with just for her. Just for her.
My truffles are the best. With 20 years in the best restaurants I know how.
Chef Marco is talking about his famous career.
Just a simple home cooked person in there.
Good luck, my dear little bowl. You carry Grandma's love and my heart with you. Fly. The kind old judge is smelling my stew. Look at her face. I think she likes it a lot. The judges are tasting Chef Marco's fancy dish first. Their faces look just polite, not excited.
Oh, the kind judge is crying happy tears. She really loves my grandma's special stew.
All 3 judges really love it. Even the serious judge is smiling.
Grandma, they love your stew.
My dear, this stew touches my soul. It's like home with so much love.
Shh, everyone, the kind judge is about to speak her thoughts. I am listening so carefully.
This stew tastes exactly like my grandmother's from 60 years ago. It's brought me back to her kitchen.
The kind judge, my stew tastes just like her own grandmother's cooking from many years ago.
Maya, your stew has the one ingredient no expensive restaurant can buy. Love.
The serious judge says up my side. This is love in my life. Thank you, Grandma. We did it together. A magical sunshine is touching my whole heart.
Oh my, the famous Chef Marco is walking over to me. He is shaking my hand now.
Maya, your stew is the most wonderful thing I've tasted in Kauman means.
Chef Marco took off his tall hat. He said my stew taught him the true meaning of cooking. Chef Marco is bowing to me. No, please stand up. We are equal friends and he.
The golden envelope is held high.
Everyone is silent. My heart is beating so very fast.
And the winner is...
The winner of the city cooking contest is... Did I just win the big contest? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this is real.
Hey, Maya!
Leah ran up to hug me. My heart is so incredibly full of love and happy tears.
My sweet girl.
Mrs. Chen is hugging me like my own grandma. Even the magical canary is here to celebrate. The beautiful golden trophy is so heavy. Thank you so much, kind Chef Marco, for helping me hold it. This win is really all for my dear grandma. Her love and her recipe made this happen today. Chef Marco said my stew reminded him of his own dear mother's cooking.
Your food really touches the identity of Laget. A glides to Rene returning. It's not love.
All three kind judges came down to hug and congratulate me. I feel so honored and loved.
I am looking up at the sky for Grandma. We did this together. I love you, Grandma, forever.
Welcome everyone to my new special cooking school. I will teach everyone to cook with their heart. A tiny gold butterfly landed on my shoulder. I think it is Grandma saying she is proud. Welcome to my first ever class. Today we will learn to cook my Grandma's special chicken stew.
Ah, I see.
Chef Marco, please cook with simple love, just like this. See, you are learning so quickly. Little Leo, your sweet carrot casserole is absolutely delicious. Everyone cooks in their own special way.
I like carrots.
Cheers, my wonderful students! Every single bowl of stew is made with your own special love.
Thank you, Grandma, for teaching me that love is the most special ingredient in the whole world.